Hi everyone, it is Jan here from DecoArt. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I am in a collaboration today with some awesome fellow artists, a group of guys from practically all over the world. We have people from the US, we have people from Europe and Australia, and I think that is it. Correct me if I'm wrong, any of you guys. You will probably just have seen Garrick. He's the one who started the whole train, and I'm next, and after me it is Sheldon, and then there'll be a bunch of other guys, great artists, lining up for this collaboration, pouring with the fellas. You may have seen that I did a pour a few weeks ago. It is this one. I don't know if it shows that well on the... Yes, yeah, there we go. So I did this one, which is basically I had done some pearl pours, and they didn't really turn out the way that I wanted. And I decided to try something with a black base instead, and ended up with this one. And I really liked the outcome. I would have liked it to have a little more color on it. So in the pour that I'm doing today, I'm trying to make the colors pop a little bit more. So there's more blue and green on this new one, and it's this one. And they look really great together. I'll just be hiding for a little bit. There we go. So yeah, I'll be doing this one today, and I hope that you enjoy the pour. All the paints and stuff that I use, the pour medium and so on, will be listed in the description. There will also be a playlist for the whole collaboration. Like I said, Sheldon will be coming on next, so please jump over to his channel. And also, if you haven't watched Garrick's, please go back and watch it, and make sure that you watch all of these pours. I hope that you enjoy it, and hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye. Hi everyone, it is Jan here from DecoArt. Welcome back to my channel. I am working on a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas today. I did a pour the other day that you may have seen. I'm not sure which one I'll post first, but I did a pour that looked like this. Don't know if you can see it very well. It's very subtle, but I actually really like the colors, especially with the black background. And I wanted to try to do something similar, but where I have added less of the satin enamel in the black base coat, because I felt that it ate up the colors a little too much. So now I just used the same base coat as from the last time, but I added black, Iridescent Loft Black, this one, soft body. But I did not add any more satin enamel from DecoArt, so this black one from DecoArt. So hopefully that means that it doesn't eat up as much. Running through my colors, as I said, this is the black base coat, and it's from Artist Loft Soft Body Black. There's a little bit of satin enamel from DecoArt in it. All my paints are mixed with American Floetrol, so the Flood Floetrol. And so it's 1 part paint, 3 parts Flood Floetrol, half a part of Liquitex pouring medium, the gray label, and then a 1/4 part of GAG 800. Some of the paints I had to add water to, especially the base coat. The other colors that I'm using here is this delicious blue. Don't know if you can see it. It is my very dear friend Taneva Baker from Taneva Baker Design sent me this Modern Masters Venetian Blue last year at some point, and I have only gotten around to using it now. It is a delicious color. It is really beautiful. So I'm hoping that I can make it more predominant on this painting than the previous one that I just did, because on there the blue seemed to be swallowed up the most, I think. Anyway, the next color is this blue, what is it called? It is called Iridescent Blue Black. It is by Pebeo Studio. This was the thickest paint, so that took the most water. Has a very nice changing color on it, black and blue, and it, as I said, it's iridescent. And the last one is this from TLP. It's the Grunge. So this one. I will be putting on some music and then we'll get to painting. You enjoy, and please do stick to the end where I'll show you the final result.